update here, students, to fix this little problem. Doing your top view or bottom view cuts, or top view cuts from the bottom of the car is what is happening here. You guys ran into this issue where you didn't have a bottom view cut there like I had. I apologize for that. You don't have X-ray either. I made that. But I'm going to show you how to take care of this here. So you're going to use your orbit tool. And you're going to roll this tool up. And I'm just continuing to roll small moves. And I'm getting it placed into the bottom view here, the best as possible. And I think actually if I flip it around and go to the bottom view, that's more, so the cartridge hole's on this end. That's what the video is showing. So we want to get so we're looking right at it in the bottom view. And then you can start working on your car there. So hopefully this helps you get this set up. Now, if you don't want to keep going back to this bottom view all the time, you're going to hit the little plus right here. Right now, scene 5 for me, might be scene 4 for you. And you just learned something that no other students know how to do, which is make scenes in SketchUp. Nice work.